Hello guys, today is the 22nd of February 2021. The UK is in a national lockdown and the world is completely unrecognisable. As such, I am unable to get out and do any filming. So here is a video I took 2 years ago to this day, on the 22nd of February 2019. This video shows my first and only trip on a Great Northern Class 717. The journey was from Moorgate to Gordon Hill, and at the time of recording, the train was on a preview run. Whilst the trains have now fully replaced the older Class 313s, at the time of recording, this was a one-off, and the service was brand new. I had to wait ages for it to arrive, but eventually it did, and my patience had paid off.
This is definitely the one.
This station is Hornsey. This train terminates at Gordon Hill. The next station is Alexandra Palace.
I think the announcements are slightly broken.
The announcements were slightly off for most of the trip, but I'm guessing this is because it was still new and needed a little more calibration before entering full, regular service. These trains are fitted with charging points at every seat. They also have free Wi-Fi and walk-through carriages, all of which are an upgrade compared to the old trains, and combine to give increased capacity and an improved customer experience.
Hello there, Jonas here, driver speaking. Just to inform you, the next stop for this train walking Highbury and Islington. Next stop is Highbury and Islington.
Oh, we're not stopping at Old Street.
I was slightly surprised to see that we didn't stop at Old Street or Essex Road, but it made the experience all the more interesting. Pulling alongside us is a Thameslink Class 700, which you may have noticed looks very similar to the train I'm on now. That's because they're both from the same family of Desiro City units, built by Siemens. The main difference being that the 717, the one I'm on now, has a front gangway needed for emergency evacuation for the tight tunnels into Moorgate. And just like that, we have arrived at Gordon Hill. If you enjoyed this video, I have a full-length train ride being premiered in about 4 hours, and I hope to see you there. I'd also like to thank you guys very much for 69 subs. It's very, nice. And with that, thanks for watching.